Explore and entertain the world. Present a new.
Best time to visit the Maldives. Everything you need to know. Visiting the Maldives in January with plenty of sunshine and warmth. This is a great time for a beach holiday. There is also great visibility for diving and snorkeling. Visiting the Maldives in February to March. These are the driest months, with warm temperatures, low humidity and great visibility for diving and snorkeling. Visiting the Maldives in April. Another good month to travel, with plenty of sunshine and good water visibility. Best time to visit the Maldives in May to September. These months are still warm with long periods of sunshine, but rain is more likely and there is a risk of storms. Visiting the Maldives in October to November. As with the preceding months, warm temperatures and long periods of sunshine are balanced with an increased chance of rain and storms. Explore the Maldives in December for perfect weather, crystal clear waters, and unforgettable island experiences.
Thanks for watching. Like, comments and share.